Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign out from Tinder app. Okay, so in your Tinder application you need to go to your profile by tapping over here. Okay, so let me go there, and after that you need to tap on this settings, and on this screen you need to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, and here you can see this logout. Okay, so you just need to tap on this logout and we get this pop-up, logout, are you sure you want to log out? Okay, so you just need to tap on this logout button. Okay, and you can see it's logging out and it's done. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.